Alright, we're gonna do a song now that I'd like to dedicate to my best friend in the entire world. I wrote it for him, and I wrote it about him, and I was scared to show him in the beginning, but, you know, it was about him struggling with an addiction to alcohol and pills, but I'm very happy to say that he's been sober for almost 2 years now, which is incredible. That's a phenomenal feat. If you guys know anybody who's going through something like that, there's always some light at the end of the tunnel. I just want to say that, alright? Just give them all that love. Trust me, there's always some hope. It's for everybody, Spencer.
This is gospel for the fallen ones, locked away in permanent slumber, assembling their philosophies with pieces of broken memories. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, high five yourself, baby. Oh, 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 oh. This is a feeling I'm not ashamed to, and I'm not done. It's fire against the odds. See the best of us yet. If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. The big words are nice enough to be stars. The fear of falling apart. Thinking thoughts I never was yours. The fear of falling apart.
Before we do our last song, I want to do something else really, really quick. So today is technically what I like to call Fuck Yeah Friday. Yeah, that can mean whatever you want it to mean, really. But I used to do this other thing called Positive Hardcore Thursday.